So we finally have a proper look at the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 creator combo, and this time it's a full-on unboxing video. The footage, shared by sources like the new camera and picked up across multiple outlets, shows a retail unit being opened, and yeah, this pretty much confirms DJI is done with the product and gearing up to launch very soon, possibly around April 16th in China, slightly earlier than previous expectations. Inside the box, it's exactly what you'd expect from a creator combo setup. You get the Pocket 4 itself, a handle with 1/4 inch thread, mini tripod, what appears to be the Mic 3 transmitter along with the windscreen and clip magnet. There's also a fill light this time, a wide angle lens, a Type-C to Type-C PD cable, a strap, and 2 carrying bags. One small but noticeable change, the protective case. It's been redesigned and is now smaller and more compact compared to the Pocket 3 version. It's subtle, but it really sums up what this product is about: refinement. Everything here feels more focused on portability and everyday usability rather than a big, flashy redesign. Looking at the camera itself, the Pocket 4 sticks very close to the Pocket 3. Same compact form factor, same rotating screen, but now with 2 extra buttons that we've already seen in earlier leaks. It's clearly more of a polished upgrade than a completely new direction. The unboxing doesn't go deep into performance testing, so there's only so much we can confirm from that side. But spec-wise, based on what's visible and what's been circulating alongside this leak, the Pocket 4 is expected to come with around 107 gigabytes of internal storage and up to 14 stops of dynamic range. That should translate to better flexibility in tricky lighting and overall improved image quality, but again, nothing officially confirmed yet. There's also something else worth looking at here. Alongside the unboxing, there's also an early pricing signal coming out of a Guangzhou-based supplier. The Pocket 4 shows up in a pre-sale listing at around 420 euros and 47 cents, but this isn't your typical retail price. It's tied to a minimum order of 2 units, which tells you right away this is bulk pricing, not meant for regular buyers. On top of that, it's based on mainland China distribution and then converted, so it doesn't reflect final global pricing. Once you factor in regional taxes, import costs, and DJI's own pricing strategy, the actual retail price is definitely going to shift. Still, this is probably the clearest early pricing signal we've seen so far. Anyways, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.